Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Glam Label. So today is another video for #glam tutorial. So I know ये जो episode है series का glam tutorial, it's actually coming after a good time, but nevertheless this has come with a bang because अभी तक आपने caption से पढ़ लिया होगा and अभी तक मुझे देख के पहचान चुके होगे यार. This like a badass eye look and kind of a crazy super OTT kind of a look. आज की वीडियो में बताऊंगी how you can achieve this super trending fox eye makeup look in like no time. I mean it's gonna be very easy because आप YouTube पे देखोगे तो everybody is coming with their own tricks and hacks, but वो look achieve नहीं हो पाता है. So yes, this is going to be like a very easy one. I have tried to make it very easy but with the essentials so that आपको वो look भी पूरा मज़ेदार मिल सके and आप ये कर पाओ like a pro. So yes, अभी तक ये जो ट्रेंड था फॉक्स आइज मेकअप लुक का, जो भी ये स्नैची काइंड ऑफ लुक है, बहुत ज़्यादा OTT है, वो हॉलीवुड में था, बट इंडिया में भी क्या रश, it's a huge rush of that wave which has come into this trend. And everybody is trying it, so why not we? So yes, if this idea interests you at all, if you want to see how I've created this whole crazy badass look, make sure you're watching this video till the end. And if you have made so far with me, make sure you take a moment and subscribe my channel, hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I'm posting anything new. It's gonna be super helpful. I'm very sure about it. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So before moving into this tutorial, I am here with all of my equipments. I'm going to show you one by one. So the first thing and the most essential thing is the brushes, because you need a lot of them. A few of are like a blending brush, fluffy brush, angular brush, stipple brush and the precise one, because in सबको मैं use करने वाली हूँ इस look के लिए, because we have to work really hard in blending out so that we can give that diffuse, smoky and the foxy effect. So that's the whole fundamental thing. And the palette which I'm going to use in today's video is one of our favorite, I would say it's everybody's favorite palette from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered version. Let me tell you, I really love this piece. So yeah, come on. Obsession down, let's move into the work. So I'm going to quickly moisturize my face, and for moisturizer today I'm using this from Karma Ayurveda, and this is all with essential oil of rose and jasmine, and this smells so divine. Oh my god. Alright, so after the moisturizer I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for that मैं यहाँ पे use कर रही हूँ Nykaa का Brow Chica Wow eyebrow pencil in the shade Covin Cocoa 01. Before I go ahead and get my eyebrows thing, मैं एक थोड़ा सा टिप दे दूँ कि इसका जो ये look होता है foxy look, it's all depend on your eyebrows as well. जो हम जितने भी stars देखते हैं Hollywood stars, उन या तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो थोड़ा सा जो ends है वो shave out कर लेते हैं, ताकि अगर ये part जो अगर eliminate हो जाता है तो automatically आपकी जो eyebrow है वो lifted up लगती है. But I don't have that gut to shave that off, so obviously I'm going to tweak it here and there with my makeup stuff, and that's how we're gonna play it safe. So start with a normal sketching जो आप करते हो, जहाँ से build up करना शुरू करते हो अपने eyebrows का. So I'm going to just draw a quick lower line and then on the upper thing. अब मैं यहाँ पे इसको over the top लेके जा रही हूँ. It's not like I'm just filling up my eyebrows. It's going to be a little extra over here. So मैं थोड़ा सा इसको ऊपर ले जाके I'm going to give it a very sharp arc. Alright, so I'm done with my first eyebrow, which really looks nice. मैंने ज़्यादा इसको boxy नहीं बनाया है, बहुत थोड़ा subtle रखा है, because I have a small face, so I really can't play a lot with my eyebrows. It again looks like मेरे face पे सिर्फ eyebrows ही दिखने लगेंगे. So yeah, this is one I have done, and this is the original thing. So obviously, this makes a huge difference. So मैं भी फटाफट से इसको भी finish करती हूँ, and then I'll be back with the another step. So alright, after my eyebrows I'm moving toward my lids and to conceal it, because conceal करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, आप कोई भी eyeshadow use करो. So yeah, यहाँ पे मैं use कर रही हूँ Maybelline का Instant Age Rewind. This is one of my favorite, all of my favorite, and I'm in the shade medium. So I'm gonna quickly use this over my lids. So I'm actually using it towards my eyebrows. My eyebrows तक लेके जा रही हूँ ताकि अपने eyebrows को भी conceal कर लूँगी. I'm using a brush and I'm going to blend it all. Okay, so after concealing, I am moving towards my eyeshadow. So before that, again, there is a disclaimer here कि मेरे पास वो eyeshadow वाली जो tape होती है just to distinguish that thing, I think it's called scotch tape, वो मेरे पास नहीं है. So उसके लिए मुझे जुगाड़ मिला these sticky notes. So work from home का यही फायदा है. So I think this is going to be a good जुगाड़. This is the stickier part. So I'm going to just cut it from the center, like a 3/4 part I'm taking. आपको कैसे प्लेस करना है, जहाँ पे हमारा आईब्रो एंड हो रहा है और जो हमारा ये आउटर कॉर्नर है, इसको हमें ऐसे डायगोनल पे हमें इसको यहाँ प्लेस करना है so that it can touch the both ends. So make sure you're placing it इस तरह, जहाँ से आपका जो ये बाहर का जो आईलिड है वो और जो आईब्रो का एंड है वो एक डायगोनली लाइन से आपको यहाँ पे ज्वाइन अप कर रहा है. So this is how it's going to be. And now I'm going to play with my eyeshadow. So यहाँ पे हमें पहले थोड़ा सा diffusion create करना है. So we're gonna start with the lighter shade and then we're gonna gradually move to the darker ones using my most of the fluffiest brush over here. And I'm going to pick this shade called Cocoa. Place it just right here. So and I'm gonna move it outwards. को बाहर की तरफ खींचना है because हमें वो बिल्कुल snatchy kind of impression देना है अपने Sparks look को. And बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर की तरफ हमें color fill नहीं करना है, towards the lid हमें लेके नहीं जाना है shade को. So after this first shade, I am quickly gonna pick this darker shade of the brown. This one is called Henna, and I'm gonna place it again on my outer edge to give it like a more depth. Now जितना भी मेरे प्रोडक्ट रह गया है मेरे ब्रश में, the rest of it मैं एक्स्ट्रा कुछ नहीं ले रही हूँ, तो जितना भी मेरे रेस्ट में रह गया है उसको मैं अपने क्रीज लाइन पे हल्के हाथों से I'm just gonna blend it just to give it that depth in my crease line. So intensify my outer wing kind of stuff. I'm using this shade a Black Truffle, and this is again a very beautiful shade, very pigmented. So make sure you're just taking a bit of it on any of your flat or fluffy brush. So I'm just picking it on the edge of my brush. इसको बस थोड़ा सा लेना है. You have to just place this shade on the outer edge, like making a wing kind of a line. So just make sure you're not taking the shade towards the inner of your eyes, that gonna worsen the whole look. So इसको सिर्फ हमें edge से लेके center of the eye तक लेके पूरा strand create करना है. And I'm gonna just bluff it all around so that वो हर चीज़ कोई भी harsh line ना लगे. It just gonna mix it up all together to give that diffuse kind of a look. Alright, so I'm done with my black shade. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the lightest shade in the tones of browns itself, and इसको मैं place करूँगी अपने lids पे. तो उससे क्या होगा, firstly तो हमने वहाँ पे कोई color fill नहीं किया, तो वहाँ पे हमारे color fill हो जाएगा. And कोई भी light shade अपने lids पे लगाने से आपके जो lids हैं वो एक hooded kind of a look लगेगा और आपकी आंखें popping लगेंगी काफी अगर lids पे कुछ light shade है. That's the reason हम जितने भी glitter eyeshadows होते हैं वो हमने इसको lids पे लगाते हैं. तो इसमें भी हमें वही करना है. It's gonna be like a snatched kind of a eye look, but gonna be hooded all together. So यहाँ पे मैं use कर रही हूँ this shade. This is sandalwood, and I really like the subtle color. I'm gonna pick a little bit on my stipple brush, and that's when I'm going to place it in the center. So now you can actually take it from your inner corners, and then you can just fill it up towards your center of the lids. And now I'm going to get back to my first step. जो मेरा first fluffy brush था जिसमें मैंने Cocoa का जो shade था वो मैंने pick किया था. I'm gonna pick the same, just a little bit, and I'm gonna play again with my crease line. Now I have to jump onto the main thing, which is giving that foxy corners. So here I'm using this gel eyeliner from Maybelline and an angular kind of a brush. अपने जो inner corners है उनको थोड़ा सा foxy kind of a definition दूंगी. So I'm done with the corners, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just remove this, and you can see the real definition. Yeah, so it really makes a good change. Your eyes looks like all lifted up, all snatched. तो वही अगर आपको स्टेप नहीं है वैसा तो you can use any of your जुगाड़ यार. So what I'm going to do is from the same angular brush I'm going to pick this shade Black Turtle, थोड़ा सा slide पे, and उसको I'm going to place just above my lash area. थोड़ा सा define करने के लिए जितना भी gap अगर रह गया था just into your lash line. एंड जितना हमारा जो साइड की जो स्ट्रोक है काफ़ी हार्श दिख रही है उसको बस थोड़ा बहुत डिफ्यूज़ करना है. सो फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग द सेम ब्रश. कुछ प्रोडक्ट नहीं लेना एक्स्ट्रा, जस्ट बफ इट अपवर्ड्स. सो लोअर लैश के लिए मैं यहाँ पे एक बहुत प्रिसाइज सा ब्रश ले रही हूँ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज अगेन द शेड कोकोआ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज इट ऑन माई waterline. And I'm going to take my stipple brush and blend it all. So I'm taking this black shade on the same stipple brush, थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल touch करना है, and that's when I'm going to place it like on the edge, just on the edge, बहुत light hand से, just on the edge, and just buff it in to and fro motion. That's all. Okay, so we are done with the first eye and this really looks good. So I'm quickly gonna go and get the whole shadow on my second eye and then I'll show you how it looks overall. Alright, so I'm done with my both of the eyes and it really looks snatched and very sneaky kind of stuff. So this is how it is, and now I'm going to add a little pinch of drama by adding this shade called Bless. This is like a pressed glitter shade. I'm going to use my hands for it and I'm going to place this like just here. So yeah, I'm done with this glitter shade in the inner corners and this looks pretty. ये तब तक complete नहीं होगा जब तक हम अपने पूरे face का overall makeup ना कर ले. So I think there's nothing which is very super special in today's foundation or baking and contouring kind of routine. कुछ special नहीं है. So I'm gonna do that off the camera and I'm gonna come back and show you that one rest thing which again gonna add up a lot on this look. So उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे छोटे सी break के बाद. So वो break हम ले रहे हैं. Alright, so I'm done with this basic essential जो भी हमने करना था आंखों का, and the whole look is ready. Now my face is looking too flat after applying the base foundation and concealer and the baking stuff. After that, I'm going to bronze my face to give that the good chiseled kind of a look. I have to make my cheeks also look like snatch thing. उसके लिए मैं use कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे sugar का contour. This is a miniature of sugar contour and this is so good. So अभी मैं इसको अपने angular brush पे लूँगी and I'm gonna just take a good amount of it. And इसको मैं apply करने वाली हूँ खूब सारा यहाँ पे because I need my cheeks to look like all snatched up. And I'm gonna take this upwards. तो ऊपर की तरफ हमेशा इसको blend करना है and थोड़ा सा on the chin area, on your foreheads and more on the cheeks. Okay, so after that I have to contour my nose. अपनी nose को contour करते वक्त we have to literally join this line, the contour line, towards our brow area. So we have to just take the contour shade from here and then drag down again upwards. Okay, so हो गया हमारा makeup ready. हमारा जो base makeup था, contouring, blushing, highlighting सब चीज़ हो चुकी है. Now is the time to actually get back to your eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes. So after that, I'm going to use my mascara. For mascara, here I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational. So just make sure you're using a lot of it on the lash ends to actually curl it up and give that high of the volume. So after mascara you can actually end up the whole eye look over here. अगर आपको lashes नहीं लगाना है, falsies नहीं लगानी है, but I'm going to put on my lashes and then I'm going to show you because you know with the lashes बहुत सारा और ज़्यादा drama add होने वाला है and my this foxy look will be completed with that I believe. But obviously अगर आपको carry करना है casual way में and you want to carry this foxy eye look, so you can actually miss out on that. I'm going to use this and I'm going to show you how these lashes will complete the entire look. Alright, so I'm done with my final look and this is the whole eye drama over here and I'm really liking these lashes. ये कैसे इस पूरे look को एक next level पे लेके जा चुके हैं, so I'm loving that fact as well. So finally I have to color my lips. I don't have to forget that, and for that I'm using this bullet lipstick from Color Bar. So I'm overdoing my lips with this eye makeup. I think that's gonna complement very well. So I'm just overlining my Cupid's bow and the lower region as well to give that fuller lips kind of effect. So I'm actually loving the whole look. ये जैसा बिल्कुल निकल के आया ना, वो जो भी हमने मेहनत की है, every step has actually resulted at its best. So I'm liking that fact all in one. So yes, with this video has come to an end, and if you tend to like everything which I showed, the tips and tricks to achieve this beautiful look, and if you're loving this look on me and if you want to try it as well, make sure you're giving this video a big thumbs up. Comment down if you want to see another makeup routine, just mention over there, or any other specific video you want me to film on. Please write it down. Sab likho yaar. Subscribe karna mat bholo. Subscribing is very important. If you have come till so far like with me with this tutorial, make sure you are showing your fine gesture by just subscribing it and giving it a big thumbs up, and that's all. Share with your friends and family, and until next, stay home, stay glammed, and don't forget to stay beautiful.